Okay, so Chidem is cutting up some zucchini squash into thin slices, and she's going to put it in the oven to bake for about 30 minutes. This is going to be for our zucchini salad. We're adding some salt to our zucchini, under a teaspoon. Now we're adding some heavy whipping cream, so you know that's going to be good. About 4 teaspoons.
Maybe 1 cup.
Now we're adding some vegetable oil, and you're going to add about half a cup of the whipping cream. This up with the zucchini so it's coated. After mixing it well, spread it on a baking sheet with parchment paper and make sure that it has enough room. So our zucchini has been cooking in the oven, and if you remember, it's been roasting, and it was covered in heavy whipping cream. Our zucchini that's been roasting in the oven is ready, and we're going to be making a salad out of this. And it's one of Chidem's absolute favorites. For our zucchini salad, we've taken some plain yogurt and we're adding some salt to it. And we are also grating some garlic into our yogurt dressing. Our zucchini has been roasting for 30 minutes. We let it cool for a few minutes, and Chidem is adding the yogurt sauce onto the zucchini salad. The yogurt sauce has some garlic in it and some salt. So this is a pretty healthy dish, and look how.